jumping right into the makeup, apply your foundation, primer, concealer, prime your eyes if you have to, so we can get started on the makeup tutorial. So first, I'm going to start off with this eye under the pink, and I'm going to do a pink eyeshadow look. So first, I'm going to take a really light color, just to use it as powder, so the eyelid doesn't crease. So I'm going to take this, I don't know if you can see it, this right here, and I'm going to use it as a transition shade, and it's also going to be my guideline. So when I apply the pink eyeshadow, I don't put it up to my brow bone, or I don't put it on the lid. It's not a big deal if you put it on the eyelid, but you just want to avoid it. Also blend it out in the process. Okay, so I'm gonna take this this color right here, and I'm going to put it in my crease and outer corner. I accidentally rubbed the wrong eyeshadow into my brush, so excuse that. So I'm just gonna blend that out, so it doesn't matter anyway. Then I'm going back with this first brush I used and blending everything out. Then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow on this little brush and put it, sorry you can't see, put it in my outer corner. Almost like I'm going to start out by blending out the edges, and then I'm going to end up blending everything out. I'm going to try to use this brush. Okay, I can see. Get out of my face. And there, it actually looks really good, even though I fucked up this time. I do this makeup look every time I'm doing an out of cosplay video, like cosplay transitions on TikTok, for example. So I don't usually fuck up at this, but it is still very pretty. So now I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna use this eyeshadow. Use my finger to apply it. But this is not the final result, but I am almost done with the eye. And then I'm going to take this lighter, sparkly pink, and I'm going to take my clean finger and put it over that pink eyeshadow. And yeah, that's really it for this eye. I'm gonna do a different eye look under the white half of my wig. Because it's out of habit that I also put concealer in this eye, I'm just going to clean off the concealer on this eye. Get out of my face. I just don't feel like wearing a headband, okay? Because I'm gonna prime my eye with white eyeliner. So I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo white eyeliner. It's the color Milk, but it's just a white eyeliner. And I'm gonna put that all over my eye, then blend it out, and you'll see where I'm going with this. You also want to take your finger and blend out the harshness. This is so the makeup pops. Also, just a heads up, a lot more will be going into this eye, not just the eyelid. So I'm gonna pack my brush with this light purple color, And I'm going to pack it on, but at the same time, blend it out so it looks like a natural eyelid color, as if I'm not wearing any makeup at all on this eye. Because this is what I do for my child makeup for when I cosplay a young child, like 10 years old. And you'll see. So you want it to be visible, but you don't want it to be like super vibrant. Then I'm gonna take this color and put it in my crease. This will act as an artificial shadow for your eyelashes. Yeah, your eyelashes. And if you apply too much, water it down with a white eyeshadow. My white eyeshadow is broken, so all I can really do is blend this out. No white eyeshadow in this eyeshadow palette. But as I'm filming this, it was Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving weekend. Thanksgiving was this week as I'm recording this. So by the time I post this, it will be Christmas or almost Christmas, and I will have new eyeshadow palettes, and I will stop relying on this in every single video. I'm also gonna take what's this called? Hold on. Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner Crayon Gel. I'm using this as a fleshy toned eyeliner because I'm going to squint like this and put it under my eye. Also, you know what, never mind. Then I'm going to take this smudge pencil in Champagne. This is supposed to act as a metallic pink eyeliner. And I'm just going to put that under where I applied. Under where I applied in my eye bag line. Then going back with that white eyeliner pencil, I might do it on the other eye. And I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. And I should do the same on this eye if I'm trying to look cute and youthful. Because my headcanon for Monomi or Usami is that I listen to her voice playing Danganronpa, and I imagine her to be this really cutesy little girl. So that's the look I'm going for. I'm doing a completely childish look, except for this eye, but we'll get to that. And finally for this eye, I'm pretty sure I'm not forgetting anything. I'm going to take some highlighter and put it in my inner corner and drag it up my eye. Now let's move on to curling the eyelashes, putting on eyeliner, and all that other fun stuff. I'll get to the eyebrows, and I do have something planned for the eyebrows, but I just want to finish off the eyes first. So, I am I fucked up a little because I got a notification from TikTok that someone liked the videos I posted. Again, as I'm recording this, but anyway, you want to do a standard line with no wing if you want to have childish eyes. So I'm doing both eyeliner shapes for this eye. Okay, I thought I fucked up. But I did forget just one more thing. I have to put mascara under this eye. I haven't cosplayed any young children in a while with this makeup look. So of course I'm going to be a little forgetful. I'm being very careful so I don't put that gel, so I don't smudge it all over my skin. And this is a very affordable mascara. You could buy this at any drugstore, any local store that sells makeup. This is very affordable. I remember the first time I got into makeup, I was 11. My My mom's not really a makeup person, but she did start buying me makeup from makeup stores every year since I was 11. And something I would often see at that age is this mascara bottle that looks just like this. Obviously, it's not the same one I've been using since I was 11. I'm just saying I've been using this type of mascara brand since I was 11. Not the same bottle. That's unsanitary. So anyway, I'll be curling my eyelashes. Okay, got it. Okay, I think I got it. Coating my eyelashes in mascara. And I think as I planned out posting makeup tutorials every week, if I'm posting them every week, just doing the math, then I'll be posting these every week. And when I run out of ideas, as I'm recording now, it'll be January. So, where was I going with this? I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm just going to be using the same eyelashes for every single makeup tutorial because they're big and fluffy, and I just feel like you need big fluffy lashes when you're doing a cosplay. So, putting on my eyelashes. Make sure that the inner corners are really glued on. Because for some reason, every time I put on eyelashes, they look pretty good today. They look really good as I'm looking into the camera, which I shouldn't do, I know. But my inner corners are really sticking on. This is good. Okay, I slightly pulled my wig back just so my bangs wouldn't be in the way. And I think I'm gonna prime my eyebrow with, again, the NYX Jumbo White Eyeliner. Links below. This is a very affordable one. I usually buy this on Amazon, and it's only like $4 or $5. It's very affordable online. So anyway, I'm pressing against it very, very gently. I'm going to take this L'Oreal Voluminous. This is a mascara primer. Okay. When I bought this, I genuinely thought it was a white mascara, but I'll still use it to try to make my eyebrow super white. I think there's a trick to make your eyebrow paper white and not gray, like how I just applied it, but I don't know exactly. I'm good at makeup, but I'm not that good. Okay, so much for that. It looks the same. For the other eyebrow, I'm gonna take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, dip this mascara comb into it, or a brow brush. Either way, it's a mascara comb or brow brush. And I'm going to apply that to my eyebrow. And I can put my wig. I can wear my wig normally now with cute bangs, cute pigtails. Although this pigtail is thinner than this one. I really tried to even it out, but I didn't. Anyway, I think I'm gonna contour the nose, although I really like how the makeup is looking so far. But last time when I tried a Monomi makeup look, I looked too old. I looked like I was 30. So I'm just going to contour the tip of my nose. Try to take a very light hand so it's not so heavy. So I don't have to blend it out with my finger more. And I'm going to contour my nose into the shape of a triangle. And this will give off the illusion that your nose is small and petite. This is how to narrow down the nose. But yes, I do need to blend this out. I put way too much contour right here. And then I'm going to take some highlighter with my finger and put it in the center to make that illusion even more convincing. Then with my blush brush, I'm not going to completely, well, I might, I don't know yet, but I think I'm just going to do my usual rosy cheeks under my eyes, and I'm not going to overdo it. I'm just going to have some rosy cheeks under my eyes. Normally, if I was doing a child cosplay like Gregory or anyone who's 10 years old, I would put the blush on my nose bridge and put it everywhere. But because Monomi is really a stuffed animal and she's not actually a child, although that is my headcanon, I'm just gonna make the blush look like the way her cheeks look in the game. With this, what does it say? RK by Kiss 3D Artist Contour Cream Palette. I'm gonna take this color right here and put it on my lips because I don't have any peach tones lipstick, so I'm just gonna use this as a lipstick. Then I'm gonna take this Maybelline Super Say ink crayon, but I'm obviously gonna use it as a lip liner. And I'm going to draw around my lips and draw into the inner corners and blend it out with this flat paddle brush. Then taking that highlight again and putting it on my lips to give off the illusion that I have very childish lips. You mainly want it on your bottom lip. I kind of spit on myself. Okay. Then to finish it off, I'm putting a lip gloss on top. And you want to be very gentle because look at how much I smudged off by putting the lip gloss on. You want to be very gentle if you're putting lip gloss on top of certain lipstick. Pucker your lips, of course. And yeah, that is how I do my Monomi / Usami makeup. Let me just fix this. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Whether I post this on YouTube or Instagram, probably YouTube for now, even though it doesn't do well, but I just love doing these makeup tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!